Hello, good morning. Now today we are going to start the examples on derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Right? Yesterday we have discussed on the how to find the derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Now we'll start the examples. So this is exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. We have to find the derivatives of inverse trigonometric function by using derivatives of inverse function. First example, y is equal to x. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So first, we convert in terms of y. X is a function in terms of y. Now differentiate with respect to y. Dx by dy is equal to 1 by 2y. Now we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but 1 upon dx by dy. ये हमें कल पढ़ा है. dy by dx क्या होता है? It is 1 upon dx by dy. This is equal to 1 upon 2y. But y is what? Y is root x. ये हमने dy by dx फाइंड किया है, but directly not. It is by using derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Now second example, y is equal to log of 2x minus 1. इसका हम डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशियल कर सकते हैं by using derivatives of composite function, but we have to find the derivatives by using inverse trigonometric function. So here log to the base e. So this is e to the power y is equal to 2x minus 1. This is the property of logarithm. What is the exact property? Property is this. If y is equal to log x, then x is equal to e raised to y. X is equal to what? E raised to y. If y is equal to log x to the base 10, then x is equal to e 10 to the power y. Right. Now 2x is equal to e raised to y plus 1. X is equal to e raised to y plus 1 divided by 2. This is the function x in terms of y. So here dx by dy, now differentiate with respect to x, with respect to y. This 1 by 2 as it is. What is the derivative of e raised to y? E raised to y plus 0. So dx by dy is equal to e raised to y by 2. But actually we have to find. हमें क्या find करना है? हमें find करना है dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. But this is a dx by dy. This is equal to 1 upon e to the power y by 2. 1 upon e to the power y by 2. This y goes to numerator. This 2 goes to numerator. 2 into e raised to y. This is dy by dx. But what is actually e raised to y? E raised to y is 2x minus 1 by 2. 2x minus 1. 2 divided by 2x minus 1. This is our dy by dx. This dy by dx is by using derivatives of inverse function. Okay. Now we will take example number next. Y is equal to e to the power 2x minus 3. E to the power 2x minus 3. This is a function of y in terms of x, but we have to convert function x in terms of y. So how to convert? Apply the same property. 2x minus 3 is equal to log y. 2x minus 3 is equal to log y. 2x is equal to log y plus 3. What is x? X is equal to log y plus 3 divided by 2. So here e to the power 2x minus 3. This is the basic property of logarithm. If a raised to x is equal to m, then x is equal to log m to the base a. This is the important concept of logarithm. Actually, it's the definition of logarithm. A raised to x is equal to m, then x is equal to log m to the base a. यही यहाँ पर अप्लाई किया है. 2x minus 3 is equal to log of y to the base e, but e is natural logarithm, so no need to write. That is this log of y to the base e. Now we have to differentiate with respect to y. Mention here differentiate with respect to y. Why with respect to y? Because this is a function in terms of y. That's why with respect to y. So it is 1 by 2 is a coefficient. Derivative of log y is 1 by y. And 3 का derivative कितना है? 0. Now dx by dy is equal to 1 upon 2y. But हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? हमें फाइंड करना है dy by dx. ये तो होगा dx by dy. अब हमें फाइंड करना है dy by dx. So dy by dx is 1 upon dx by dy. So 1 upon what is dx by dy? 1 by 2y. 1 by 2y. If y goes to numerator, this is 2y. So dy by dx is equal to what? 2y. अब हमें क्या रिप्लेस करना है? If y is what? This is y. E raised to 2x minus 3. So our answer is, because our target is we have to find dy by dx. 2 into e raised to 2x minus 3. So this is a process of derivative by using inverse of derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. One more example next. Y is equal to log of x minus x by 2 to the base 2. अब ये नेचुरल लॉगरिथम नहीं है, ये log x by 2 to the base कितना है? 2 है. So this is 2 raised to y is equal to x by 2. This example, y is equal to this. 2 raised to y is equal to what? X by 2. Then what is x? Therefore x is equal to 2 into 2 raised to y. 2 into 2 raised to y. Now differentiate with respect to y. अब इसको differentiate करना है with respect to y. So this becomes dx by dy. Dx by dy is equal to 2 into 2 raised to y into log. This is 2 into 2 raised to y into log. This 2 is a coefficient as it is. Derivative of 2 raised to y, 2 raised to y into log. Now we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Right? Now we can write dx by dy is what this? This is equal to 1 upon dx by dy is this 2 into 2 raised to y into log 2. But actually what is 2 raised to y? 2 raised to y is what? X by 2. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 into x by 2 into log. So this will be cancelled. Answer is 1 by x into log. This is dy by dx. 1 by x into log. 2 gets cancelled. This is the answer of next. So these are the sufficient examples for the derivatives of inverse trigonometric function or inverse function. हमने dy by dx फाइंड किया है, but डायरेक्टली नहीं फाइंड किया. डायरेक्टली मींस व्हाट? बाय यूजिंग डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ कंपोजिट फंक्शन. इससे नहीं फाइंड किया. फाइंड कैसे किया है? बाय यूजिंग इनवर्स फंक्शन. सो इनवर्स फंक्शन की एक ही कांसेप्ट है. दैट कांसेप्ट इज व्हाट? dy by dx is equal to 1 upon dx by dy. Okay, so we'll take next example. Now find dy by dx. First example, y is equal to tan inverse of log x. Tan inverse of log x. अभी इसको डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करना है, not in terms of x. So here we can differentiate with respect to x directly. This is composite function. function of function, function of another function. That's what is called as composite function. But this is the inverse trigonometric function. Tan inverse है यहाँ पर. So last day we discussed on the formula of tan inverse f of x. D by dx of tan inverse f of x. What is that formula? 1 upon 1 plus f of x square into f dash of x. Into what? F dash of x. This is the formula. So make a box for this formula. Now answer dy by dx. D by dx of left hand side is equal to d by dx of right hand side. Tan inverse of log x. Right? This is equal to dy by dx is equal to f of x यहाँ पर कितना है? log x है. So how can differentiate this? 1 upon 1 plus log x का square into d by dx of log x. ये बन गया उसका आंसर. This equal to 1 upon 1 plus log x square. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. This is a simple way of differentiation. Just you have to understand this formula, this type of formula, and apply that. In formula there is f of x. In example there is what? Log x. So इतना सिर्फ फर्क है. So apply करो और find the derivative dy by dx. It's a very simple process. Now we will take next. Second example, y is equal to cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. अब ये e to the power minus x है, इसको हम 1 upon e raised to x लिख सकते हैं. 1 upon e raised to x. So there is a property that we discussed on last lecture. What is that property? Cosec inverse of 1 by x is equal to what? Sin inverse of x. Last day we discussed lots of properties of inverse trigonometric function. In that, this is what important. Reciprocal property. Cosec inverse of 1 by x is equal to what? Sin inverse x. So here, in this example, this is a composite function, this is a standard function. और इतना ही फर्क है इसलिए. So this example becomes what? Cosec inverse की जगह पे क्या आएगा? Sin inverse e raised to x. Sin inverse e raised to x. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. हम इसको डायरेक्ट भी डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, नो डाउट. डिफरेंशिएट तो करना ही करना है, बट for better solution, for getting simple answer, to avoid lengthy calculation, we can apply the property. इसको भी हम डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट भी कर सकते हैं, नो डाउट, बट ये अप्लाई करने पर इजी बन जाए. इससे इजी क्या है? ये sin inverse e raised to x. Now this is equal to 1 upon under 1 minus e raised to x whole square into d by dx of e raised to x. अब इसका फॉर्मूला यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ मैं. फॉर्मूला ऐसा फॉर्मूला है d by dx of sin inverse of e raised to f of x. Sin inverse of f of x. What is the derivative of sin inverse f of x? 1 upon under root 1 minus f of x का square into f dash of x. y f of x है, यहाँ पर कितना है? e raised to x. So answer is 1 upon under 1 minus e raised to x का square. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. This is the answer, dy by dx. Okay. Now next, about example number next. ये सब जो है एक्सरसाइज 1.2 एग्जाम्पल नंबर 6 चालू है. अभी आना चाहिए. कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? y is equal to sin inverse of under 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square divided by 2. अभी बहुत सारी तरीका है इसको डिफरेंशिएट करने का, but right now we can use the regular procedure. क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, बट वो आगे की मेथड है, इसको लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, बट हियर वी हैव टू सिंपलीफाई, वी हैव टू फाइंड dy by dx by this regular method. So first of all differentiate with respect to x. हम रेगुलर मेथड से ही सॉल्व करेंगे. d by dx of y साइन इनवर्स का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन अंडर 1 माइनस f of x. f of x की जगह पे ये फंक्शन है. दिस इज व्हाट अंडर 1 plus x square by 2 whole square. 1 upon under 1 minus f of x का स्क्वायर, f of x का स्क्वायर इनटू d by dx of under 1 plus x square by 2. This is function of function. तीन फंक्शन का कॉम्बिनेशन है. It definitely composite function, but this is inverse trigonometric function. इतना ही फर्क है इसमें. So left hand side is as it is dy by dx. So यहाँ पर सिंप्लीफिकेशन का स्कोप है. ये स्क्वायर रूट और ये स्क्वायर क्या होगा? गेटिंग कैंसल. It is 1 plus x square by 2 into what is the derivative of root f of x? 1 by 2 root f of x into f dash of x d by dx of 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square by 2. So derivative of root is what? 1 by 2 root f of x into d by dx of f of x. ये उसका प्रोसीजर है. This is equal to 1 upon under root 2 minus 1 minus x square divided by 2. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया. ये 1 upon 2 under 1 plus x square. ये रूट 2 ऊपर जाएगा into root into what root into ये 2 कोएफिशिएंट एज इट इज. ये 2 बाहर लिया कोएफिशिएंट. 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, x स्क्वायर का कितना 2x. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is what? 2x. ये 2 तो कोएफिशिएंट है, कांस्टेंट कोएफिशिएंट, ये कैंसिल हो गया. ये भी रूट 2 ऊपर जाएगा. इज इक्वल टू, सो ये रूट 2 ऊपर रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus x square into root 2 divided by 2 under 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into x. Root 2 into root 2, 2 cancel. Numerator x divided by x upon root 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, that is 1 minus x to power 4. So what is the answer? This is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. 1 minus x raised to 4. So x upon under root 1 minus x raised to 4. This is the dy by dx of this function. थोड़ा लेंथी है because चार फंक्शन है. पहला साइन इनवर्स है, उसके बाद रूट है, उसके बाद 1 plus x square by 2 है. So differentiate 3 times, at least 3 times तो करना ही करना है. So this is the answer. I hope you understand the derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. Procedure absolutely same. So you must know the derivatives of composite function. आपको composite function का differentiation आना चाहिए, ये important. और y is equal to cos cube of cos inverse of x cube. Cos cube of cos inverse of x cube. So हम डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट नहीं, यहाँ पर सिंप्लीफिकेशन को स्कोप है. cos of cos inverse of x cube whole cube. इसको होल क्यूब लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज द कंसेप्ट. sin square theta means sin theta whole square. This is same. Sin square theta and sin theta whole square are same. So now cos of cos inverse x is x, ये कल प्रॉपर्टी हुई है, मैंने प्रॉपर्टी कल लिख के दी है, cos of cos inverse x is equal to what? X. So therefore this is y is equal to only x cube raised to 3, only x cube और whole cube as it is, इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, x cube 3 into 3 9, because this is a property that is a raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n, पावर एंड इंडेक्स का रूल है, 3 into 3 कितना 9, अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, dy by dx is equal to 9x cube. This ideal example, why to use the property? अगर हमने प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई नहीं किया होता तो ये नियर अबाउट 9 to 10 स्टेप का एग्जांपल है, बिकॉज़ 4 फंक्शन है, f of x raised to n पहला फंक्शन, cos दूसरा फंक्शन, cos इनवर्स तीसरा फंक्शन, x क्यूब चौथा फंक्शन, चार फंक्शन का कॉम्बिनेशन मींस वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट 4 टाइम्स, चार बार हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है, बट इफ यू अप्लाई द प्रॉपर्टी इट गेट्स 2 or 3 steps, within 2-3 steps you will get the answer. So what is the exact answer? 9 into x raised to 8. It is very short answer because of this property, okay. Now अब सेम ऐसा एक एग्जांपल है, y is equal to sin raised to 4 of sin inverse of root x, sin raised to 4 of sin raised to 4 of sin inverse of root x, then y is equal to, we can write sin inverse of root x whole raised to 4. Now this term eliminated by using same property of sin. So it is only y is equal to root x raised to what? 4. Root x raised to 4. Now we can simplify this. Y is equal to root x means what? X raised to half into 4. Root x actual meaning का x to the power half होता है, x to the power half into 4. So it is only x square. अब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कितना है dy by dx? Only 2x. Only what? 2x. This is the answer. Example. So that's why the rules of this inverse trigonometric function, the property of inverse trigonometric function. Sin of sin inverse is only root x. Sin raised to 4 ये ऊपर 4 हो जाएगा, directly bracket raised to 4. That's why this differentiation is very much simple rather than the direct differentiation. Is it clear? So ये हुआ है. अब अगर और एक एग्जांपल की प्रैक्टिस करना है तो और एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं, सेम ऐसा y is equal to sin inverse of x to the power 3 by 2, sin inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. इसको भी हम डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, प्रॉपर्टी की अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं, यहाँ पर डिग्री जरूरत भी नहीं है. dy by dx, what is dy by dx? 1 upon under 1 minus इसका स्क्वायर x to the power 3 by 2 square into dy by dx of x raised to 3 by 2. x raised to what? 3 by 2. अब ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. how it becomes cancel? 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 into 2, x raised to 3 by 2 into 2 into what is into x raised to n? n into x raised to n minus 1. n into x raised to n minus 1. These 2 cancel. Under 1 minus x cube into 3 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2. 3 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2. We write properly 3 root x divided by 2 into under 1 minus x cube. This is the most simplified answer. बिकॉज x टू द पावर हाफ क्या होता है, रूट x होता है। ये 3/2 एज इट इज 3/2, ये टर्म भी एज इट इज, दिस इज dy by dx। सो दीस आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। अब जो भी बचे हुए एग्जांपल से आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल वी विल टेक इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर। ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।